Donald the candidate combs his hair and says goodbye to his tower. Off he goes with a trumpety trump, 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 trump. Soon he arrives at the great White House, leader of the free world. Oh, what a travesty, oh, what a farce, woe for all. Surely this misogynist xenophobe cannot be your best bet. See through the money, what a twat he would be. Don't be fooled. Stop that insulting racist buffoon from embodying your nation. Choose real positive change. Vote smart, America. So Donald the elephant, pack your trunks and say goodbye to the circus. Time to return to your ivory tower. Trump, Trump, Trump.